I'm here to do an unboxing of the albums I just got. I don't know if it's what I think it is because it said, for one of them, it said that it wasn't here yet, but I went and checked and I see what looks to be it. Also, I have green hair. I'm wearing my blue light glasses because I'm trying to steer from the fact that my eyeliner is very... But I have no idea what this one is. It says it's from Korea, so this is the only thing that I feel like it could be. Just a little forewarning, I get a little excited when I unbox, so especially with the KARD album, I get a little rough unboxing it, but I promise nothing gets broken. So I'm kind of scared. Also, yeah, this is just like a random place on the floor, sorry. This angle's like very weird. So I'm just gonna check to make sure this is what I think it is before I like continue with this. It is. Yes, but okay. I'm gonna do that after because I see that the photo cards are out and I don't want to see it yet. Oh my frick. Oh my gosh! It said that it was supposed to get here from the 4th to the 22nd, and it said it wasn't here yet. It is now the 8th, I think, or the 9th, I'm not sure. But they lied to me. What the heck? So if the KARD album didn't come, I don't know how long I would have waited to go get it, because like I never checked the mailbox, so that's fun. I'm afraid I'm gonna break something. Ooh. This is like not ASMR or not satisfying at all, so I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. Ready? Aww. So out of focus. So now onto the actual album. Please don't run out of space. Okay. I've been seeing so many unboxings like on YouTube that's being recommended to me. Oh my gosh, I just saw. Oh my gosh, it's so delicate. Okay, I only saw this one. This is the back. Sorry if this isn't focused. I really can't tell from here. Okay, I'm gonna try to do it without looking. So there. It goes hand in hand, I guess. There's one more. Ooh. Cute. Okay, I'll put this together later. I'm just gonna like briefly go through just because. Is this? Ah. It was in this moment I didn't realize this was the signed photo card, but I promise I'll show it more in depth later. My hands look really weird from this angle. I don't know if it's the angle or if it's just... Aww. Love sub K. E. What the heck? Oh. It's not exciting. This is like so unsatisfying. Hey y'all, sorry, I just had to cut out some of this beginning unboxing because I'm being so destructive. Even though I know I'm not going to break anything, I'm just nervous looking at it, so. Ooh, it's like a bug. Wow. Ooh. 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 Okay, so you can pause your screen. And I got my blanket and I've got my coffee. I'm trying to decide which version to get because I've just been in really like wasting money mood. And I saw an unboxing because usually I do that when there's different versions of an album so I can decide which one I want, but then all the photo books are the same. I guess I have to judge from the cover, which is contrary to society, but whatever, we're gonna go with it. I'm so mad because the Mayday album I just saw went on Prime and it was like right after I did that unboxing before. Literally what? Okay, so I really don't like to see the photo card options before. I don't think I've ever looked it up beforehand, but there's so many different versions and I really don't know. I don't know. Here's me being dumb. I realized that the only one that's on Prime is the random version, so we're just gonna go with it. When did drinking coffee become a personality trait? I've never tried this. I was looking at the ingredients and I saw there's like cognac gum. You can't see. But yeah, right there. And I was like, oh, okay. It did in fact explode. So, I don't know. I'll do a taste test. It looks kind of weird, but I totally like deconstructed it. But I'm just gonna use the fork anyway, so. It's really good. I'd probably get it again. But we have the sauce and the guac to kind of amp up the flavor. I don't know what I'm doing. Update, the sauce is much of an improvement. These were my burrito adventures. So I got the continuous album and I'm here to unbox it. I'm gonna unbox it like a little bit differently from this view instead because it was like really complicated to mount it, and I feel like it was kind of boring. I don't know. I'm not like other unboxers. Oh, this is... Oh my gosh. Wait, I feel like this is the one that I wanted. I'm so weak. If I freaking scratch this? That's different how it's like in the front. Just open for exposure. This might be harder to unbox this way, but I feel like it's more exciting, so... Oh my gosh. Yes. I don't want to see the cards yet. Oh, it's the lyric book. Okay. Can't even see. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm just gonna... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna compose. I'm gonna... Wait, where's the AR? Oh my gosh. I love... Okay, I'm gonna put in... If I can screen record the AR footage, I'll put that in right now. Okay, you know what? If you really want to see it, just buy it. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy that I pulled those two. Because I low-key didn't want the Hunted AR card because I've seen I've seen the AR footage already, so wouldn't have been a surprise, but I'm so glad. Wow, that was riveting. So my mom let me use this, her CD player that my sister used to use, and I'm gonna try this. I've never tried a K-pop CD. This is my first. Oh my gosh, I haven't used one of these in so long. I'm so scared. Let's hope. Wait, I hear something. Wait, what? Wait, tuning? So confused. Huh? Oh. Wait, what? How do you play? I freaking got it to work. Wow, I'm gonna film all my vlog clips like this now. I meant to film this like an hour, or I don't even know how long it's been. I lost the sunlight. But yeah, this is the end. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This mic is not on. Bye!